Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Nongrep nakaling ki jaka kila penpawi ki jing ngokmen bagi le yo ban wan dia ki marep jong ki Shillong kabla Pynlong daga 1917 I teams jaka yeng kali jong ka Directorate of Fisheries ke Badan Persya bar ke St Edmunds College Shillong habekran berkilat patai kubor ki Nongrep ki le thu bakani ke yarap Shibun yaki namar tang ki Shillong bakirap kamya namar belabun palat ki Nongrep Kila ong bay ki marap jongki la juban rabet shanong ba Shillong namar shashnong ki mla syuk bandi belabun palat ki marap ba gajing Pynlong ya kum kani ke program kalong shisha gajing yarap yangi syuk ki le thu ba kani ke sien ke bani kong ba ki wan hukum kani ke program ya Ïathied jong ki Nongrep
Kajik Pynlong yok ni kan do kay ajing yarap ipi
ni sinong kong nang impat tipi ya para jing yarap isu bapak ni office ni Shibun ka wan de
kani kasi manikong ba yo ang kani kala
ha nya ka de sin man kong
te ha kumno hisngo ba di ba kani
ngas no biam hi
to kani ra to pi ba kandan kanu kasi ngarap pi
yo i dan de jing yarap
Gini mensua gini yu de ba pira pi
ni rep hi sudah ngade ngi de organik sudah
asnong bet pi
rep ya
nadu na sentung piwan chanian ba te bele long kayo shate shani kumno kay pa
ka yo stin dira amar ni kit de Shillong di amar ni stin Shillong da matir de amar bola Nongrep ni wat kit de Shillong di
The program is very much appreciated. So I got an invitation from 1917. So for the long way I came from Rongjeng, Garo Hills. So it is appreciable and very good.
So since you came all the way from Rongjeng, so how do you see regarding this market? Will it be benefit for you or?
In future, I think it will be beneficial for the farmers and for the buyers and the sellers. I think so. But we should invite from the buyers from the outside.
Is this the first time that you?
Yeah, first time.
So how do you feel?
It is very good. I feel happy.
Thank you.
All organic. Everything is organic. So this thing and most of these chilies are from the June cultivation.